Hello everyone, welcome to Condol Technology. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you top 3 prompts to get the best from ChatGPT. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Condol Technology. So, let's get started. For this, to maximize the quality of responses from ChatGPT, you have to use well-structured prompt. Here, I'm gonna show you 3 powerful prompts type with example prompt. So let's see. Number 1. Expert-like response prompt. This prompt makes ChatGPT act as an expert in a specific field, providing in-depth insights. It's useful for learning new concepts, professional advice, and skill building. Example prompt. Act as a productivity expert and provide a detailed guide on time management for young professionals. Include practical strategies, real-life example, and key takeaways for better efficiency. So, this is the best result from ChatGPT. Number 2. Analytical and improvement prompt. This prompt helps when you need ChatGPT to analyze, improve, or optimize something, whether it's an idea, a piece of content, or a business strategy. Example prompt. Analyze this Instagram caption. Work hard, dream big. Provide insights on engagement potential, suggest improvements, and explain why they work. Here is your result. The last one, number 3. Content creation and optimization prompt. This prompt is ideal when you need fresh, engaging, and platform-optimized content. It ensures the content is relevant, engaging, and structured for maximum impact. Example prompt. Create a LinkedIn post promoting Condol Technology services in a professional yet engaging tone. Optimize it for maximum engagement and include a compelling call to action. You'll find here best qualitative result. That's it. Hope you like this video. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.